Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add logo for Google Business Profile. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in google.com/business and then you see sign in, so click on it. So we are in Business Profile Manager and then you see verified. So we are going to add logo and then you see photos, add photo, so click on it. Now close this and then you see add photo, so click on it and then you see you can manage photos and videos and then you see add a logo. Let customer see your business identity when you post photo or reply to review, so click on it and then you see select photo. So our photo size is 720 by 720 and then click on select photo. So this is our logo. Now select and then you see save, so click on it. Now you see logo is added for our business Google profile. If you want you can change logo, so it's up to you. Now close. Now refresh the page, again click on it and then you see logo added. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.